Hello traders! Here Eric Munoz one more time in Lion Bull Academy. Today I want to answer some questions that somebody write me in the comments in YouTube. And it's two simple questions. Okay, simple question for somebody is not so simple. It's two questions. I was really answer one of these questions before, but I will answer one more time because probably he don't find the video. So he asked me, one of them asked me, what is one pip? What is a pip exactly? And how to measure the pips inside of a graphic. So I'm gonna answer both. The pips, the pip really is just the way to show the movement of the price. The more minimum, the more small movement of the price is represented by a pip. That's gonna be the number more smaller that you can see in a movement of a market, of a price, of any instrument. If we're talking about Forex, they call him PIP. If we're talking about index, they call it or point or tick. If they talking about commodities, can be cents of dollar or cents of euro in commodities, in stocks, in ETF. Okay, like this you have a different, but you can call it any one PIP, and I think any trader will understand what you mean. So let's first and all make here one representation visual. Then what is the different how we name each part of the price. So here is the price of Euro USD. In this example is 1.15382. Okay. So after the point, the number 4 here, what is the 8 now, that's the we're gonna be the value of the pips. In this case is 1.8 is mean 8 pips. Okay, some brokers have 5 numbers, so that will be a cent of a pips. So here is 0.2 pips. If we arrive to 10, will become 1 pip. So any number above, if is the price moving one movement above, 1 pip up or 1 pip down, this number will change. If he go up 1 pip, will become a 9. So that's the more small movement can have the price. Here the next one, it represent the pips 10 by 10. It means if the price go up or down a movement, this number when I go or up or down will be 10 pips different one to another. If it's here, what is the 5, will be 100 pips. If it's here, will be 1,000 pips, and here will be 10,000 pips of movement. So if we see that one market skyrocket very faster and change these numbers, it means they have a big movement of pips, 10 by 10 or 100 by 100 or 1,000 by 1,000. The pips also help us see like in the spread I was explaining in the other video. Sorry, maybe it's a little bit complicated because it's not so easy to explain this one really. The difference from the sell price and the buy price in this case is 22 here and 23 here is 1 pip. That's what we pay spread. So that's also the more small movement have this market. So one small movement up or down will be 1 pip. Okay, the cent more smaller, this one the more smaller, in this case 3 and here 4, that small movement or up and down, that will be the pip. Okay, I hope you understand. It's really not so easy. I explain one more time. Is the representation visual, like in the candle on this, in number of the more small movement of the price. That's what is a pip. I hope now you understand it. So how we can calculate the how many pips moving one candle. Example. Let's say this big candle here that we have here. How much pips is this candle? So we just need to take this cross here, select, then click in the beginning of the candle till the end of the candle. Click one more time, and here down we'll write in how many pips he moved. In this case is 35 pips. Let's check this green candle. We click here, then here, and here show this candle is moving 16 pips. So the movement of the representation in visual of the movement of the price in this candle is 16 pips. Let's say we open a position here and we want to put a stop loss up here, okay, and we want to calculate how many pips is that one from after make a take profit. So we take from here till here, exactly where we want to make the stop loss, will be 19 pips. So we can make a take profit or in the same 90 pips or in the double, how we do it normally in the risk reward 1-2. Like this is how you can see the how you can measure the price in Etoro. If you are, example, using investing, you need to click here where it's writing measure. You can see here this one. You click here, and you can do the same. You click one side and then the other of the candle, and here will show you how many pips is this one. In this case, it's 32 pips. Let's say again this small green here that we was try before. We click here, and then here like this. Sorry, measure, and here to here, and will be 15 pips. Like this, you can measure the movement in pips in any graphic. Okay, I hope you now understand what is a pip. Is the representation of the more small movement of the price, and how to measure inside of a graphic. I know it's not so easy stuff to understand. If you are really just starting trading, I understand that one. Just need to try. Just do it. You take your graphic and start measure each candle you can, like you can start understand how much movement the price and what is a pip and the value in different instruments. Just need to try, and in the last you will understand it exactly. If you still don't understand, yes, please comment me down below. I'm gonna try to explain even more simple. I will look in the way to do that. If you already understand it, just please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. So see you next time. Ciao, guys.